Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. Sean coming at you from high level. So we got a big day today. We got at least eight drops today by themselves. So in no particular order, except for the fact of whoever got their update out first wins. We've got the CRM custom links update, ability to pass session details to the custom menu link iframe for marketplace app installation. So this is going to be a little technical. So basically, the idea is really simple here in the sense that we have the ability to create custom left-hand menu links. So if you, in the left-hand menu, you can create a custom menu link. You can look this up in the help docs, but basically it allows you to iframe in, basically just kind of put in a window some website or content. But up until this point, you weren't able to actually pass in session information. So if you see here, why do we do this? Receive feedback from the white label agencies. They face challenges when trying to get their clients to install specific marketplace apps. When they shared the installation links, it referred to app.gohighlevel.com, which of course doesn't align to the agency's branding. So as a solution to enhance the user experience and maintain the integrity of the white label process, we've now integrated an option to include session details right in the iframe. So the key to the solution here is the session key query parameter. By attaching this to the app installation link within the custom menu link, session details are effortlessly communicated, ensuring the interface remains consistent with the agency's branding. What will you need to do? I love these. These are really well put together. When setting up or updating your custom menu link, simply append the session key to your desired app installation link, and this will ensure your clients experience a seamless installation process or remains within your branded environment. This, by the way, for all of you wondering what the heck this means, this only applies to people who are actually running these custom apps in high level. So this is very much an update for them. But I'm going to drop this video loom here just so that anybody who wants to see this in action or is implementing this knows exactly what it means. So anyways, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Thursday, and I'll see you in a tremendous number of awesome videos to come. Thanks.